All right. Okay. All right. All right. See what we can do.
I'm ready. Let's get the job done.
Come on, friend. Time to win.
I put the time in. I've earned my stripes.
This is your champion.
Test me. I encourage this.
Good. I'm the jump master.
No.
Get ready. Moving up.
Wrong button. I haven't changed my controls. He's on crime. Yo, we're going it, yeah, man. Where are we? I really forgot to change my controls. I am angry about that. Alright, get on this. Go. Hopefully I can make it. Alright, there we go.
First blood. FNGs always go first.
Down.
Good work. We're inside the next room.
Alright, that dude just disconnected. Yeah.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
New kill leader. Go on, watch out.
Come back. Alright, good.
Gotta hop up here. Barrel choke. Narrows the spread.
Yeah, I can use it. Huh? What? Want to hold forward?
First it already said I
No, because the macro. Which one you put on it? Or what? Oh, so you want to be in cases where you want to hold.
if it's a case where I have to hold something.
Yeah, I guess. As you go along, we can figure out how to make it hold. Switch that particular to any button we want. Yeah, there's someone here. Yeah, there's someone here and I can't tell.
go this way.
Oh. Alright. This is fine. Hi.
Warning. Ring closing.
Lucky us, we are already inside the ring.
Backpack here. Level 2.
Ah, oh no. And this. We are being honest.
Listen up, I'm calling a lifeline package in.
Attention. Delivering care package.
Incoming care package. I love loot. Backpack here. Level 2.
Care package over here. Body shield here. Level 3.
Ooh, there's a charging station. You have your ultimate already? Alright, good.
Charge tower here. Ain't no whinging when you're powered up. Come and get your birthday present.
Somebody's here.
Frag out. Frag out.
Heads up. Dropping the fade.
I'm spotted. Taking fire.
Contact from hostile.
Take fire.
I am taking fire, friends.
Alright, we have to retreat. Retreat for cover. Shit, I'm detected.
Zipline deployed.
Dropping the chimney. Make it 2.
Oh, so there's two teams. One coming from the north side. Back out a little bit. Let them fight and we pick up the stragglers.
Taking a knee.
Hostile. Opening fire on the enemy. More friends are coming to kill us. There's another squad.
I'm spotted. Taking fire.
Traveling.
Alright. Wish I had a better scope.
Taking a knee. Patching up.
Enemy trap spotted.
I am worst going man ever. There's 3 of them over there.
My shields are recharge.
Extra out. Getting shot at.
Ah, alright.
Let's go this way.
Kinda stupid.
Just a sec. 1 second.
Let's go this way.
Recharging my shields.
got me. I'm down.
I am taking fire.
Shit, Leo. Cry out to me, cry out to me, cry out of the poison.
Enough, I'm getting shot. You know it's good stuff. We got to watch each other's back.
Zipline time.
Ah,
I took my gas trap in.
yeah. Feel like all my skill sets got last night gone. Shit. Yo, give me the plate. The plate at top. Are they shooting at? We are shoot at youth. Oh no, he's going to die. Going to die. Yeah, running. I'll give him that. He's afraid.
Let's move
I'm
to
gonna
the
do it.
sector.
It would have been better building, fighting the one man, then running out. Because one ran into the thing after him, but he ran right out of the building into two of them.
No. Alright. Oh, Zune! Zune! Got a legendary banner dog! What idea have I pick skin? I got a legendary banner. Or... I'm making to get so much shit for it. I don't do play it. Come on. It looks cool. I don't think play this trick. Make it awesome. That's stuff for her.
Ahead, Vita of Victory and Slatra.
Come on, we've got work to do. Pop the smoke, make 'em broke.
Introducing your champion.
I'm the jump master. Follow me. might be a good place to land.
Alright, we're going to the swamp.
Let's land here.
Ah, I'm going over here.
This might be a good place to land. Enough landing around. We're dropping. Copy that.
Round one. Begin ring countdown.
Next ring is not close.
Gotta hop up here. Barrel choke. For Peacekeeper and Triple Take.
RE45 here.
Dibs.
Why can't even get the Peacekeeper anymore? So I don't see why it's you know taking it on the Peacekeeper.
Blood.
The battle happens quick. Be ready.
I don't know.
Might be something good this way.
Got sniper ammo here. Got sniper ammo here.
Light ammo here. Prowler SMG here. Looking here to strengthen our fight. Gonna hop up here. Hammer point. Body shields here. Level 1.
Yeah, backpack.
I need a backpack.
Ultimate accelerant here.
I could use that.
Making contact with enemy.
Ready?
Cancel that. Marking our surroundings.
Rings close. I need one.
Attention. The champion has been eliminated.
Touch up. Havoc here. Backpack here. Level 1.
45 seconds. Rings far.
Spitfire here. Longbow here. If blessed, I will find loot here to benefit.
Got sniper ammo here.
If I'm gonna not. Oh. What is he? I don't have the goddamn gun.
Arc star here.
Right, angry about that.
Mastiff here.
Oh, I'm a triple T.
Here. Sniper.
Triple T at them there.
Warning. Ring movement in progress.
The ring is moving, Felai fighters. No one is inside. Scanning the area. Let's go this way.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
New kill leader. Go on, watch out.
Attention. Delivering care package.
Care package on high. Oh, Father, give me sight. Enemies have been in this place. Someone's been here.
What your size you do? You hear anything? I'm now hearing shots. Is that you? Ring is closing in, so you should start running now.
Scanning the
Got an
area.
extended sniper mag here. Level 3.
Grab that for your queue.
I could
grab
use
it.
that.
Might be something
Me
good this
too.
way.
Alright, mad thing. Mad thing.
Let's go this way. Sniper ammo here, if you choose.
Yeah, we gotta go. Want my triple kill.
This way.
Alright, drop it. What was that?
Calling in a
Go ahead.
lifeline
Go ahead on
pack.
me. Be there soon.
Bless me with sight.
So we don't have no healing packs. We're definitely risking this one. Worth. Go.
New kill.
It's for the wingman. Hold Pierce.
New kill leader. Eyes out for him.
Head for the jump tower. Go. North.
Might be something good this way.
Jump tower here. Marking our surroundings.
Oh, we have a team.
I'm taking fire.
Take this for youth.
Down, but alive. Spotted.
Yeah, spot them too.
I'm spotted. Taking fire. Setting shield. Healing ya.
Cover me.
You're no far from you with this.
Got another squad.
Ah, shit.
Contact with target.
Attention. Supply ship inbound.
Hostile close. Contact with hostile.
Build up, my boy. Build up. Remember, put the gun. Yeah, run. Behind you.
Yeah.
What?
Your banner was trying to.
Close range.
I know. You should put your button to all stay away from it. Buttons do that. That way you can move faster in turns. Eventually start learning how to even do that in the middle of fights, because I do that in the middle of a fight. So like, Agile. I'm gonna get my snack.
this for move around and
Ah, if you do that then. Maybe better using that then.
If I may be honest, I find death fascinating.
Ready up. It's go time.
Breathe easy. Watch your side and never quit.
Introducing your champion.
Come get some. Move it or die.
You all ready for the Orc train?
Going to examine that area.
I feel most alive when rapidly approaching my death. Yes.
Ah, lag. Not throwing another free of the party, brother. Yeah, that guy is lagging hard.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Ah, my baby. Well, you know the rules. I can't have shotgun and under blasted sniper. It's a terrible idea. I need a bag. Lo and behold. You ask and you receive.
Attention. First blood.
First blood. Tastes like victory.
I hear shots. Sounds like it's coming from the south side. Confirm. I try confirm. Okay, no, it's from the north side. Ah! Choke. There.
Hostile over there.
Alright, so they're on this building.
One minute. Rings nearby.
The ring's close. 45 seconds. The pressure is exhilarating.
Enemy spotted.
Coming towards us.
Target spotted.
Don't! Jeez, I'm crime. Brother.
Ring aim.
Taking fire.
Obviously, you're gonna be start taking fire.
I'm spotted. Taken.
Jeez, I'm crime. The man knows how to help you.
My wolves.
Jesus crime.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Alright, people say saying.
Recharging shields.
10 seconds.
The bomba. That barely grazed off my head, Taras.
Administering medical aid.
That barely grazed me.
Warning. Ring movement in progress.
Listen up, the ring's moving.
Oscar Mike.
Alright, I see now.
Taking fire. They downed me. Spotted one.
Attention.
Package coming down.
Yeah, cut left him. Leo, we're gonna have to go to the hill. This way. Wait, there's someone in the building.
Just giving my shields a recharge.
Yo, there are two people who are shooting at you a while ago.
Listen up, I'm getting shot at.
Shit. Like I barely dodged.
You'd be tougher to kill if you weren't so boring. Checking out over there. Got it.
You have to admit, that guy fired on me. It was right at gun zone. The hearing. Alright.
I put the time in. I've earned my stripes.
Me ain't afraid of much, but losing, that would be a drag.
The ring isn't really complex, but it can be a little complicated. Wait, what did I just say?
Introducing your champion.
I look forward to meeting you all. Real close and personal.
This is the best part.
Oh no. There we go.
Body shield here. Level 1.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Next ring's far.
Attention. First blood.
First blood. Good thing it's not us.
New kill leader appointed.
Someone's gotta take out the new kill leader. They're too cocky.
Like over there, you know.
What? Where?
I need it.
Gotta hop up here. Select fire.
Heads up. Ring's closing in 1. Rings far. Rings moving. Hustle up.
Purple box. Ah, blood. Look at that.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
New kill leader. Watch your 6.
Care package being delivered.
I bet that care package has some sweet gear for us.
Watch the map. Spread too thin.
Hey, how about this way?
Alright, so up to you guys now.
taking him out with a decoy.
Come and get your birthday present. Helmet here. Level 3.
A golden helmet?
I have a golden helmet.
Huh. Keep running.
All you need.
Alright, I guess we can trade.
How about this way?
Thank you.
I eat at. And they find it Oreo. It burns! Aqui deve estar fora da brecha. Ah, boy.
Just a sec. 1 second.
Shots fired.
Already?
Round 2.
Leah, don't go there.
Ring countdown.
There's one right here.
Patching myself up a bit. Health drawn if you need it. You and me now.
Oh, frig! Ah, there's two people over there.
I'm gonna go to the victory lap.
That's some bad plays by me. Aim.
Go on, David.
Fresh.
man.
This is more than a battlefield to me.
Oh. My brain. Brain.
Half the smoke, make 'em broke.
Grapple, locked and loaded.
Charge! Let's go here. Allons-y.
Attention. First blood.
That's the first of many lights to go
Round
out.
one. Beginning ring countdown.
Feel that charge in the air? We're inside the ring. We're safe. Setting a fence. Fence them in, fence them out. Laying fences. If the fence gets
Body
crossed,
shield
we
here.
know.
Level 1.
I'm going with you. I like sticking together. I could use that.
Oh, there.
Triple take here. The horizontal spread makes it easier to hit
That
running
would come in
targets.
handy.
Team, I found the next ring location for us. Check your maps.
And fencing. If the fence gets crossed, we'll know.
Backpack here. Level 3.
Triple take here.
Yeah, I got 30.
Helmet here. Level 2.
I hear gunshots.
Warning. Ring closing.
Feel that charge in the air? We're inside the ring. We're safe. Fence in position.
Helmet here. Level 2.
Setting a fence. The circuit is complete.
Syringe here. Body shield here. Level 2.
Care package being delivered.
Incoming care package. Backpack here. Body shield here. Level 3.
I was like,
Using grapple.
Yes, that was on point, shooters.
Fence deployed. That's a bumpy fence. Fence them in, fence them out.
Medkit here. R99 here. Shield battery here. Medkit here.
There is a new kill leader.
New kill lead.
Grenade, watch out! Opening fire on the enemy. Here we go! Enemies are shooting.
Rig! That was a headshot, you know.
Reloading.
Tossing thermite. Just topping up my shields.
I am taking fire, friend.
The building, man running upon them.
Going to explore here.
Drop my ultimate. I can't fight.
No more storms. Shots are from another squad.
Ah, shit. Alright, knocked down. Look at this guy, Mike. Terrible.
Someone's out there!
Enemy black market here.
What happened to us? That's why we're playing so good. The drugs. Nice.
We're getting unlocked.
Quit your whinging and fight.
With your win. Like, you don't say that. Here, see? I don't know.
Counter.
Yeah, he was. Oh, sorry, man. It's not live anymore. It's just from that. This is from that.
It was on mix.
win this thing together. Semper Fi or die.
It's only over when it's over.
Yeah, it's a good day to take out some fools and be back in time for dinner. Got pork chops tonight. Love pork chops.
This is your champion.
Try what you want. It won't make a difference. Ha 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 ha.
Good. I'm the jump master.
Alright, fine.
Get ready. Moving out.
Oh, someone got the party started.
Why? What was a bad jump? Got ahead of myself there. Let us bleed out in this water.
I've got you, don't worry.
You sit on the ship, aren't you?
Bamboozles for the foozles.
Yeah, I said it. Just relax. I got everything under control.
Just vanish all of or something?
No thanks needed.
Yo, I can't work your body, brother. Alright, okay. There's no way I'm gonna make it.
You deploy your hoof.
Go on now. Say hello. New kill leader. As out for him.
New kill leader appointed.
New kill leader. Soon to be me.
Ah, triple.
Already in the next ring. I smell victory. Kinda smells like... Says that pork chops? Ah, funny.
Whoa. Alright.
Using the decoy escape.
Guy down there, Q.
See him. Ah, Rig.
Getting shot at. Hey now, another squad coming in. Downed an enemy. Reloading.
We should do that again. Only next time, even faster.
I come train so badly now.
Yeah, he did. I knocked that guy down, I did not kill him. Thought somebody was gonna revive him. Knock him down and then me jump down into the hole and say,
Here, every 20. Ready up. Ready up.
oh, I'm not getting that much more.
Making it, you can point. You can point. As well.
No, that you see, I had that. I would use something to them.
I think so, but it's I think so. I think I need that for
If you can't
keep up
keep up, you're
well,
straight out of luck.
realize actually better to
You ready? Or you're an idiot?
Come on, we've got work to do.
Introducing your champion.
Follow my path to win.
I like the wind in my hair, bugs in my teeth, and
The Pepsi done enough.
looks of a high.
I don't know if you're just bad or an idiot. Either way, you're gone. You can only hide from the inevitable for so long. It's very simple. I know more than each of you could possibly imagine. It appears that intelligence is just a word to you.
Get the jets, we're dropping hot.
It appears that intelligence is just a word to you.
Oh,
Be proud.
uncontested.
우리 팀 잘 맞는 것 같아. Be proud. 우리 팀 잘 맞는 것 같아. 잘했어. 넘어가야 돼.
Body shield here. Level 2.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Frog up.
People here, people here.
Get ready for a work.
Kayo.
Enemy down.
Taking fire. Spotted. Double timing.
Dead. Dead boy.
Come down. Need a medic.
Don't blame yourself. You got a whole squad that failed you.
See him.
Listen up, I'm being shot at.
5 minutes.
Alright, man have time. What is that guy doing?
Alright.
Ivan as the gods will it.
The other guy's shield is broken. Oh boy, I can't believe you make kill trophy. You have to go fight, brother. You make the man kill Cherry.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
Run out of.
Got 1 kill.
This place is something else. Let's go.
As one, we will be gifted with victory.
Charged and ready.
This is your champion.
Prepare for battle.
Let's go for the swamplands. Go for the ship.
This way.
What? Yeah, I did. There's 1 team on us.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Oh, nice. Golden bag.
First blood.
First blood. The battle begins.
You're going to shut them ring out. They're here. How is you?
New kill leader appointed.
Scanning the area.
I saw somebody get summoned.
Kill leader.
Somebody's getting summoned over here.
Attention. The kill leader has been eliminated.
Marking our surroundings.
Grass.
Reloading. I am down but alive.
How many of them? How many of them? Oh.
Two.
Alright.
Contact with Hunt. Let us go this way.
In the building.
I've got your back. A few more meters to the ring, and still a minute to go.
Throwing thermite grenade.
The circuit is complete.
I've got some hits on me.
Grenade coming in. Recharging my shield.
Just giving my shield a recharge. Heads up, watching here. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Rings around the corner. 10 left.
No reason for us to fight, so I don't want. In a sense, you see me?
Warning.
Yo, we're gonna bring you back.
Kill leader appointed.
I mean, I'm literally gonna bring you back in the next 10.
Watch out.
Probably, I mean, next minute. Okay, so I can go there. Cool. That's news. Get back.
Attention. Delivering care package.
I'll clear one here.
Looks like a care package is coming in. Big things in that.
It was not my time.
New kill leader. Azambo.
There's a gun in the building. A gun in the building. Let's go. Somebody's gonna be on us soon. Very soon. We're gonna head to this building. Hopefully.
Let's explore this
Level
way.
1.
Is that what you needed?
Found an Evo shield here. Level 1.
Yeah, grab that shield.
We are not alone. Look over here.
Alright, we're not alone.
Never mind.
Bro. I was ready to fight.
Hemlock here.
There's a scope over here. We need a scope.
Optics here. Close range.
Body shield here. Level 2.
I need it. Calling in a lifeline package.
Huh? Yeah. Here's a level 3 back here.
Back here. Level 3.
Thank you.
Might be something good this way.
I don't like semi and chicken or stuff.
We should move here.
Copy that.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
Elmetia, level 2. Barrel stabilizer here, level 2. Extended light mag here, level 1.
I'm going to see if there's any loot that way. I'm fencing. The circuit is complete. Putting down the fence. Fence placed. Anyone passes through here? No.
Shit. What was that?
I don't.
I was trying to shoot it down. It's way too far for me to go and get it. I shot it to see which direction it's going to fly.
There is a new kill leader.
There's a new kill leader.
There's shots coming from
Taking a moment to heal up.
northeast, probably.
30 seconds till ring closure. We are so close.
Oh, actually, it's pretty close. We can actually go for it. Good job, Leo.
Seconds. The ring is closed.
Nothing good. Nothing good, really. Well, I don't know. It might be good for you, but not for me.
Warning. Ring closing.
We need to go. Ring's moving.
Attention. Delivering care package.
Looks like a care package is coming in. Big dings in that.
Round 3. Beginning ring countdown.
Hostile spotted.
Target spotted.
On the roof. On the roof. Alright. Yeah, let's go.
Target over there.
From the house. There's someone on that.
Enemy over there.
Hostile spotted. Got him.
I am taking fire.
taking a moment to recharge my shield.
I see somebody. Engaging the enemy. I'm in trouble.
Yo, I can't put no if now. You know, far should they? Or over fire, I can't see them.
Taking fire. I have fallen.
I can't see so far, bro.
I'm in trouble.
Come and get your birthday present.
Reloading. I downed the adversary. Just topping off my shields.
Recharging my shield.
No, right here.
I'm bleeding out.
Reload. Getting shot at. Don't worry, I got a squad mate's banner. I picked up a teammate's banner.
Warning. Movement in progress.
Looks like I'm inside the ring.
Attention. Delivering care package.
Wait, where's the next? Okay, so the next I can't remember now. The next station is like all the way over here and inside of the yeah. It's gonna pose a problem. Even though we have beacons, I can't bring you guys in. Alright, come on. Damn, I thought I was in the ring. I believe in you, Brass.
Round 4. Beginning ring countdown.
Yo, watch our style.
Ring's not that far. Let's go this way. "30 seconds.
Oh, wait.
Patching myself up a bit. Only 10 seconds left.
I tried.
And you couldn't close the deal.
Nice try. Dude, I could have done it. I could have done it.
Oh, man.
I could have done it. I forgot to heal first.
I need energy ammo.
Shit. Video.
I'm trying to ship out it.
Right? One went on, the one went on. I asked what the song. I didn't see Human song.
Oh, expensive.
Yeah, what are you saying? Again, for the African, which song this came from?
Trust your senses, and victory will follow.
That would have been.
Death is not mercurial. It's patient. Unlike life.
This place is something else. Let's go.
Come on, I want one good game for the footage. One good game for the footage.
When it all goes dark, you don't wake up anywhere else.
Oh, you didn't even look like you were having fun. Lighten up, amigo.
Something wrong with your head if you fight me.
Target over there. Prepare for battle.
Oh, him said.
Oh no, there's no one there.
He disconnected. Great. Great, him disconnect. Probably gonna die. Oh no. Nope.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Not today.
Next ring. A net positive result.
Thermite, shots fired at me. I have fallen.
Really dark.
Grenade!
Really dark. Dark.
You and me now.
Attention. First blood.
Dark. I wanna make my life so hard. Because I can't see Jack. Shh. Grass. Yeah, don't mind me.
Spotted. Taken back. Been down.
A second squad.
Yeah, leave.
Did the dude disconnected?
Yeah.
How did he know?
You see that thing beside your name? That red dot. When you see that red dot beside your name, it's a disconnect.
Ghosts of wind
Pop the
calls our
smoke,
victory.
make 'em broke.
This is gonna be a good fight.
This is your champion.
Touchdown.
Good, I'm not.
As you wish.
Enough lambing around. We're dropping. Let's explore this way.
There's another team here.
Attention. The battle round one.
No car, come here, we need to get some guns.
Squad mates banner.
What do you see me up there? What do you think?
Yeah, Scott. Mako. Where are you?
I'm there. No.
Oh, yeah, I see you. Yeah, come in the bunker. This place is not gonna look pretty in the next couple minutes. Yeah.
New kill leader appointed.
Be aware of the new kill leader.
There's a box in here. Oh, I said there's a box in here.
Where that stuff?
Can't be me.
Just a thing. 1 second.
There's a blue back here.
Back here. Level 2.
Yeah, and disconnect.
Warning. Movement in progress.
We are inside the ring. Good faith.
Faith indeed.
Care package being delivered.
message on high. Favor from the gods.
Like I can hear the thingy groaning outside. I can't see the fucker.
Just stay. 1 second. Here's your birthday present.
And the man up on the right on top of it or something. Oh, he was. Yeah. Now he's one or two shots for me to distract. One can, one gun.
Enemy spotted.
Attention, there is a new kill leader.
New kill leader. Eyes out for him.
Yeah, I'm on the roof.
The ring is close. Time graces us.
Where are you going? Oh, let's go to the ring. You'll find a vantage point
Let's
here.
go this way.
Less than 1 minute. The ring is not far.
Never mind. Might be something good this way.
Half a minute. Ring is near. Almost there. We are close to the ring.
Warning. Ring closing.
Say one. We're all inside this ring. Listen up, I'm getting shot at.
Package.
You hear that? There's a care package coming down. Shoot him.
We're getting ambushed. I'm getting ambushed.
Taking fire.
Listen up, got another squad coming in.
Countdown.
Wow.
I am taking fire.
Where are you?
Charging my shield.
I am down, but alive.
Here's your birthday present.
Shit, somebody here.
Got another squad. Got my grenade out. Got my grenade out.
Lord God!
That sucks for you, compadre. But at least it wasn't boring.
Man get 2 punch and a kick, dog. Well, I mean, I'm not beating that still, but me.
Are you still in the man?
Alright, let's do it.
As one, we will be gifted with victory.
this together. Remember that.
Each choice changes everything.
Introducing your champion.
I am the hunter the gods have sent.
I'm the jump master. Follow me.
Jewish. Let us go.
Get ready.
Right over here.
Let's explore this way.
First blood.
Somebody put
Have you seen my big
Round 1.
Weird.
Ring countdown.
Next ring's not very close. Knockdown shield here. Level 2.
I could use that.
I can hear the thing, but I can't see the thing. Ooh, there's a charge station up here.
Thank you. Barrel stabilizer here. Level 2. Listen up, I'm calling a lifeline package in.
Far range, 45 left. Watch for them.
Hey, that's mine! You stole my helmet, bro. What? You what? Huh? Oh no, oh, I think it's for real. Nah, it's cool. I can hear it, boy, I can't see it.
Warning. Ring closing.
Yo, they're firing it?
Heads up. The ring's moving.
Care package being delivered.
Heads up. The package coming in. Let's explore this way.
So the next care package are coming.
There's a jump tower here.
I'm at a jump tower.
Here's your birthday present.
Getting another care package far away from you. Ooh, a purple bag. And a purple vest. Thank God you weren't here to steal it.
Helmet here. Level 2.
I jumped off here, so...
Body shield here. Level 2. Backpack here. Level 3.
That was a waste. I have no healing. No healing.
Body shield here. Level 2.
Sorry.
Gotta hop up here. Scope here.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
Parkour. Oh, another church door.
Charge tower here. Ain't no engine when you're powered up.
A fight near here now.
Listen up, I'm calling a lifeline package in. Hostile over there. Body shield here. Level 2.
Attention, the champion has been eliminated.
Our champion has fallen. I bathe in the blood.
Contact.
Kill leader eliminated.
Anything? Oh, there's a black market over here.
Attention, there is a new kill leader.
New kill leader. Go and watch out. I'm spotted. Taken back. Reloaded.
I'm down.
Catching myself up a bit.
Come to me, come to me. Ah, frig.
Trying to go to you.
Ugh. Let me rest.
Yeah, man.
Your knife, Papa. Your knife.
Your knife?
Optics here. Close range.
Care package being delivered.
Let's go this way. Let's go here.
Round 3, beginning
Let's come to the match.
countdown.
We're going back in. You honey.
Go on, try to stop me.
Gold goes so well with a diamond like me.
The place between life and death is where I feel most alive.
This is your champion.
I bet that's a good spot. Woman's intuition. Let's find something good.
Oh, look. I'm moving up. It's a secret passage. Maybe a secret passage. Never seen it before. Trust him. I do all kind of situation.
Knockdown.
Yeah, may I say?
Level
Would have been a waste.
Hop up here.
Round 1,
Skull piercer.
beginning ring countdown.
Say hello.
Attention. First blood.
First blood. Good thing it's not us.
Jump drive set. Hop up here. Opening shop. Come see the merchandise.
Shit, why she can't have our ultimate so quick? Dang it.
Black market here. In the mood for some shopping? Nice choice. You've got good taste.
Rings nearby. 1 minute till close.
Don't mind if I do.
The ring is close. Half a minute.
Attention. The champion has been eliminated.
Champion out.
New kill leader appointed.
Careful, new kill leader. Seconds. The ring is close.
Warning. Ring movement in progress.
Time's up and we're not in the ring. Move now. I need a body shield. I need a backpack. Using jump drive.
Extended light. Gotta hop up here. Might be something good this way.
Care package being delivered.
Care package on high.
Favor from the pods.
Helmet here. Level 3.
I need it.
What?
Hop up here. Select fire.
You could have taken it if you want.
Thank you.
Don't forget who hooked you up. I need a sniper stock. G7 scout here. Extended light mag here. Level 2. Barrel stabilizer. Standard stock here. Level 1. Shotgun bolt here. Level 3. Jump drive
Alright. Throw away the hook.
Sentinel here. Extended sniper mag here. Level 1. Let's do some shopping.
Here's your birthday present.
My favorite kind of loot. The kind that's all mine. Over here. Skull piercer.
I'm looking for a sniper.
Treasure pack here. How charming.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
Jump drive activated.
Attention. Supply ship inbound.
Let's see what we have over here.
Sniper ammo here, if you choose.
Body shield here. Level 3.
Mid-range.
Dibs.
Thieves. Knockdown shield here. Level 2.
Dibs.
I need a sniper stock. Body shield here. Level 3.
Yeah, take on that. Take the shield, take the shield.
We've got a minute until the ring closes. If you want it, bag it.
The ring is close.
Longbow DMR here.
Optics here. Mid-range.
30 seconds remain. Safety is an arrow shot away.
Aren't you sweet? Thank you.
10 seconds, the ring's just ahead.
I bet we'll find something good here.
Warning. Ring movement in progress.
We're all outside the ring, and a wall of death is coming our way.
Care package being delivered.
You hear that? There's a care package coming down.
Sniper.
Dibs!
Round 3. Beginning ring countdown.
Patching myself up a bit.
Jump drive in position.
Healing. Pass me that shoe.
Hold on, I need to heal.
Hop up here. Select fire. Never mind. Barrel stabilizer here. Level 3.
One minute remains.
Ultimate accelerant here. Taking fire.
Alright, fighter 1.
Firing. Reloading. I'm down.
I'm taking fire. Less than 1 minute. I am down, but alive.
Alright, Scott. I'm on the other building.
30 seconds till close. Wiki.
The building?
Is it my birthday already?
Shit!
Just 10 seconds.
Warning. Movement in progress.
Oh no.
Care package being delivered.
Listen up, I'm getting...
Oh my god!
There's a void in your heart, and I put it there.
Alright, we can end it here.